Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nurul Akila binti Ishaq. For the question 3, for each of the alternative below, we need to calculate the future value of money at the end of the deposit period. So the answer for alternative A, that is compounded annually, with the formula of calculation stated, we will get the future value of 12,968 ringgit and 71 cent. Next, the answer for alternative B, that is compounded semi-annually, with the formula of calculation, we will get the future value of 25,980 ringgit and 30 cent. The answer for alternative C, that is compounded quarterly, with the formula of calculation stated, we will get the future value of 49,587 ringgit and 2 cent. Next, the answer for alternative D, that is compounded daily, with the formula of calculation stated, we will get the future value of 81,267 ringgit and 75 cent. Lastly, the answer for alternative E, that is compounded semi-annually, with the formula of calculation stated, we will get the future value of 132,976 ringgit and 77 cent.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Syuhada binti Amdan. I want to present the answer for question 4. Okay, the formula used is present value multiple with 1 plus interest rate in percent divided by M, which is period of year, and T is the period in year where interest is compounded. So the way of calculation is RM 60,000 times with 1 plus 12% 5 and get 1.762. RM 60,000 must times with 1.762 and the answer is RM 105.720. If Rizal Motel save his money RM 60,000 now with 12% interest rate in year 5, the amount will be RM 105.720.
Thank you, Shahada. I'm Farah. There are two methods to find the minimum amount that Rizal must save to buy a new machine. So, the first method, we use PV times in bracket 1 plus I divided by M to the power of T. The range that I use is between 55,000 ringgit until 59,000 ringgit. It's a minimum amount close to 60,000 ringgit. It shows that 57,000 ringgit is the minimum amount close to 100,000 ringgit. When we insert RM 57,000 times in bracket 1 plus 12% to the power of 5, the answer is RM 100,453.48. This amount is close to the 100,000 ringgit. So the minimum amount that Rizal must save is RM 57,000 ringgit. Okay, the second method is we use PV times in bracket 1 plus I divided by M to the power of T equal 100,000. X is the minimum amount that we want to find. Using this formula, X times in bracket 1 plus 12% to the power of 5 equals 100,000. So the answer for X is 56,742.694. For second method, minimum amount the result must save for to buy new machine is RM 46,742.69 cents.
My name is Shafiqah Hanim binti Mawad and I will be answering for the question 5, chapter 6 for the alternative A to C. Yasmin, Akila and me myself will be calculating on the present value of money at the end of the deposit period given. Alternative A, the single cash flow is RM 6,000 divided by the inflation rate 1 plus 10% times with the discounted period 10, and the answer will be 2,313.26. Alternative B, the single cash flow is RM 12,000 divided by the inflation rate 1 plus 11% times with the discounted period 11, and the answer is RM 3,807.40. Last but not least is the alternative C. The cash flow is RM 14,000 divided by the inflation rate 1 plus 12% times with the discounted period 12. The answer will be RM 3,593.45. All of the calculations for alternative A and 2C are as stated in the little box on the slides there. For the alternative D and E, I will be passing to Yasmin Akila to answer that question. Alright, that is all for me, Shafiqah Hanim. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Yasmin. So I will continue from Shafiqah Hanim. I will continue with alternative D, which is for this single cash flow is 70,000 ringgit divided by inflation rate 1 plus 13% times with discounted period 13, and the answer is 3,470.80 cents. And the last one for alternative E, which is single cash flow is 22,000 ringgit divided by inflation rate 1 plus 14% time with discounted period 14, and the answer is 3,513.62 cents. Hope you guys understand, and thank you for listening, and thank you everyone.